Welcome back, friends. Today we are taking you guys along with us on our high-speed rail experience. We're going to travel from Rome to Florence. We have some tips and tricks for you to help you navigate some train travel in Italy. We're excited you're here with us today. Let's go. Good morning. We are on our way to Florence. So we are at Roma Termini, which is the train station here, and our train's running a little late, but we are figuring out how we're gonna get over to Florence. I think we're the first stop, so we're just having a little breakfast, and it seems very, very easy. You need to have your tickets in advance. They do have a little kiosk where you can buy tickets if you want, but you just kind of scan in and go. You're kind of on your own. So train tickets are very easy. We purchased ours online before we got here, but you are certainly welcome. There's like ticket little stations all over the place where you can purchase tickets to go. You just kind of want to know where you're going before you get here. And there's lots of delays, so I would just be prepared for that. I think that's just part of train travel. But coming in and getting scanned in, it's very easy, very efficient. And there's lots to do and eat here. If you have like an early morning or mealtime train ride, there's plenty of stuff to do here while you're waiting for your ride. Now, this was our first experience with European rail travel, and so we certainly wanted to get there about an hour before our train departure time, just because we weren't quite sure what to expect. Now, our train was delayed about 30 minutes, so this gave us plenty of time to explore, and we didn't do a whole lot of shopping, even though you certainly could here, but we did find the cutest little cafe on the second floor of the terminal. They had these wonderful pastries, and of course, you got a cappuccino. It also gave us a really great opportunity to try some of our Italian that we had been practicing all week. Now, I will say up here in the cafe area, they had some great options, but also down on the ground floor, they have the Central Market. We actually ate there the night before, specifically to go after this gelato, but they had all kinds of options. And one of the things that we learned about being in the city is you had to be really careful about where you were finding the restrooms. So when we were eating at the Central Market, there was a QR code to scan to use the public restrooms. Throughout the other areas of the terminal, you had to have coins to be able to pay for the restroom visit. So keep that in mind.
All right, if you want to do some shopping while you're getting on your train, there's plenty here. You have a delay, go get some lunch, breakfast, get some Pandora, go do some Pandora shopping.
Pandora. They do not want you to sit here though. You know, you're either like standing up the entire time or you're going to sit on the ground.
Yeah, there's no
So,
seats.
Prepare.
There's no seats anywhere.
No seats. So you can stay busy shopping and eating before you get on your train. So there you go.
You found a seat? Just a handful.
Once our train finally arrived, we had a track assignment. We scanned our ticket and headed on out, and it was really easy to find how we were going to board the plane, as they will have signs up where all of the coaches are located, so you'll be able to see where your ticket is and hop right on board. We had several cities we were visiting during our trip, and we purchased our tickets in advance through Rail Europe, and we were also carry-on only, which came in very handy for travel. Made it. Our rail travel time from Rome to Florence was about an hour and a half on the high-speed rail, and this, of course, gave us plenty of time to enjoy our premium economy seating. The staff was absolutely fantastic, and during our train travel, they did provide some snacks, and Wi-Fi was available for us as well. There were certainly areas where you could put your luggage not only in some storage right when you boarded the coach, but there was also some luggage areas above us as well. We were really looking forward to having that hour and a half with those beautiful big picture windows where we could see a little bit of Rome, but also that beautiful Tuscany countryside that we were going to be coming into on our way to Florence.
We're off in Florence.
Yes, we made it to Florence. That was very easy. It's only about an hour and a half train ride. So super, super easy. So we have a full day and night here. So we're gonna go find our hotel and see what kind of trouble we can get into.
Yeah.
We loved our high-speed rail experience during our time in Italy and would love to hear in the comments below if you have had some rail travel in Europe or if that's something that's on your bucket list. We also have some wonderful vlogs coming your way from our time in Rome, Florence, and beautiful Verona, so be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.